children, today we are going to see class 12 chapter 5 file handling type C question number 7. So in this 7 we have to write the program to append the content from one file to another file. Okay, append in the sense we are going to add in the another file. Already that file destination file will have some content. In that we are going to add a few more contents. That is called append. Okay, so writing is different from appending. Okay, append is we are going to add a few more points in that another file. Okay, let us begin the program now. So here what is going to be our input is source file, destination file. So from which file we have to read and which file we have to append it, that we have to get from the user. Next one, we have to define the function. Okay, define. Append is the function I am going to have. Then in that what are the arguments I am going to pass? S, D, that is source file, destination file name I am going to pass to this function. Next one, what I should do? I have to open both the file. Okay, F1 is equal to open of S, read. Okay, one file I am going to open that in a read mode, and another file you have that I am going to open in write mode. Sorry, right, not a write mode, append mode. Okay, if you have given write mode, whatever destination file content and all, it will be deleted and it will write it newly. Okay, once if you give append only, old content also there, new content also will be there only in the append mode. Then now we have opened both the files. Next what we have to read, what we have to do, we have to read from the file 1. So F1 dot read. After reading, what we have to do, we have to append it in the file 2. Okay, so append method I am using. Then what I should append, data I should append. Then what I have to do, I have to close both the file. F2 dot close. Here I should call the function. Okay, here I am giving append S file, D file. So let us we want two files, right? Let us create two files now itself. Okay, new file. First file we have for example I love India we will have. Okay, I love India. Okay, so this file I will save it as, this is a, let us take, this is our source file. Source. Okay, source.txt I am giving. One more file I want. So one more file, in that already content should be there. In that it is in this destination file it is going to append. Okay, so some few contents we will add in that. God made the earth. Then believe yourself. Believe yourself. These are the content in the another file. This I am going to save as dest file. Okay, destination file dot text. So now what is our expected output? This I love India should be in the destination. Okay, destination file. Let us check it. Now I am closing both the files. Now I am going to execute. Now I am giving the file name. What we gave source.txt. Source.txt. Next is dest.txt. Error. Okay. So here we have given S file and D file. So we didn't we called the function also. Let us see this. Yes, we found one error in this program. Okay, so the error is F2 dot append of data. So actually we opened in the append mode, but we should use only the write. Okay, write function we should use, write of data. Now let us execute. source.txt